Welcome back, guys. Hope you guys are doing amazing. We are going out locomotion. Hey, but where are we going? Motion. We are going on an adventure, according to my daughter. Locomotion. Locomotion. Now, why is the name sounding funny? We are going out, guys, to locomotion, like train place. Yeah, I've not been there before, and I'm hoping to see lots and lots of exciting things. And fun fact, you can't wait. Yeah. Love all this history, like going back to museum, checking all the things that were there before I came into being, before I came into existence. Okay, so I love history. I love all this artwork and everything. So I'm hoping, I don't want to raise my hope high because I've not been there before. So I'm just starting this vlog in the car. Hopefully I'm going to see interesting things there to show you guys. Okay, so we are going to train museum. Okay, so yeah, train museum. I'm hoping to see ancient train, all those train that our forefathers used when they invented train and all that. So I'm giving myself hope that it's going to be fun. Okay, that's why I'm starting this vlog. We are already in the car waiting for the people we are going with. Okay, so see you guys when we start going. We are en route now. We are going. So the person we are waiting for is in front. We are driving behind. I'm so excited, like I'm looking like Johnny just come. This is the first train that was indeed the first train. Please don't climb. Look at how I think, can you see, 1962. Oh look, this is the way it was looking on. He works underground in Ellington Colliery for 41 years and was last vehicle out when the mine closed. Whoa, guys, I'm loving this place, to be honest with you guys. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This one is looking like carriage. Yeah, these are the kind of things I love to see, guys. I don't know where my people is, but these are the kind of things I love to see. Look at this one. Yeah, I think we need to go and this Stockton and Darlington. Oh, and it's absolutely free, guys. Oh, this 1621 Gatehead Works, Northeastern Railway. Wow. Guys, you guys saw the vlog that I made one time that I was telling you guys I was disappointed. Look at this one. This one is quite long. I was telling you guys I was disappointed because the train I saw was looking very small and rickety. Third class corridor carriage. Ooh. I'm loving it. Third passenger's luggage. You see, I don't think this phone is doing justice to it though. Wow. Railway town. Ooh. Trophies and train. Bishop Auckland, London for the cup final. Oh, I'm loving it, guys.
Round, or do you want to go back up this way?
Children around the world. I think, guys, let's get a better view of inside it. Let's see. Ooh. You guys, can you guys see how the inside the train is looking? It's looking like house. This is the inside. Looking as though you are sitting in the living room. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it though. This is the door of this one. It's looking old and worn out. Well, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, I'm just liking it that these people were able to preserve all these things for someone like me to see. This one is looking more like modern. It's looking more modern. Oh, that's the cool workshop. Guys, these are the doors. These are the kind of thing I love to see. This one is first class. Look at how first class train is looking like. Oh.
Yeah, that's probably 1875.
1875.
That's what it says on the side.
Yeah. This is ancient and modern. You would like to go inside, have you? Yeah. I'll come in there.
It was like first class.
Yeah, first class. You have mattress inside. Inside. It has dining. It has something like heater inside though. Oh, befitting for a queen and her entourage. The cove inside. Locomotion. Yeah. You don't stay there. Look at the seat for queen. The carriage won a gold medal at the 1900 Paris exhibition for its luxury design. What luxury will you add inside the carriage? I'm telling you. Look at the inside. Hello. Oh.
You okay? Lucas, hold Daddy's hand. Seat on that side, so if you want to sit them on one at a time.
Lucas trying to sit
That's
up
the
here.
driver's seat.
Yes,
It's too tiny.
This is just blocked.
Yes, yeah, that's it. What you see is what you see, yeah.
Does the driver make use of all these things that are here? All this
It's
rod and all that?
amazing.
I mean, that one there, one, that's the brake, so that's stop.
Oh.
This one is called regulator or accelerator.
Ooh.
So that makes you go faster, that one.
Yeah.
She's so scared.
Oh, that's where they throw the coal in.
Yeah, that's where the fire will be in there. So the core will be in that bit.
Hold on to the wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Do you want to get down?
The fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If not, it will move.
Yeah. So the fire burns, heats the water up, turns the water into steam. The steam makes everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
Water will need to make it go again.
Yeah.
So it would be possible, but it wouldn't be viable.
Is that the coal?
Yeah, that's coal.
No, the ones inside.
Yeah,
or
that's coal there. We have lots of coal. So that's what burns.
Ooh. Wow. Ooh.
Jim.
Yeah. Skate will come back in June, but
Are you wanting to get out?
things can.
On my hands.
See something like bunk bed up there.
Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah, bunk bed. Did you see that?
Definitely a bed.
Wow. Yeah, I see another bed. Yes. Oh, this is London to Paris. This one is going from London to Paris. Oh. The right signal. Yes. It's looking real, but it's not real. Oh, he's making noise. What's this one? Hey. Oh boy. I'm telling you. Then summit. Ubo. Prima. Oh. Built in children. Wow. This is so impressive.
Bit of exercise there for travelling up and down the country with boat power.
With that.
With that,
What is this?
it's you sit here, and if you push that forward and pull it back, it turns the thing so it moves you forward. So you just want to-
It's like a
It's like a rowing
means
machine.
of transportation, or
yeah.
it's just for the workmen.
Yeah.
Is it for the workmen or for?
No, it's for the work.
People really suffered though. People really suffered. Imagine using this standing. I am old and fragile. Do not touch me. Of course, I will not touch you. Oh, this one looks like built-in children. Oh boy. We are going home, guys. See? Jesus, they feel that dates as far back as 1870 something, 1860 something. Oh dear me. And I just like it that these people preserved it for people like us to see how the train of that time were. And I like it, so I like it, to be honest with you guys. We are going to make our time to come back again and maybe just sit down and relax, soak in the moment, because today's one we're just like, oh look at this one is beautiful, oh look at this one is fine. We're just like all over the place enjoying ourselves. So I just hope that you guys enjoy coming along with me. Okay, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, drop in the comment section for me the next place I should visit. Okay, I know you guys will just be giving me some places that are in London, but just shall drop. Okay, yeah, see you guys, we really have fun. See you guys in our next video. Bye. They say bye. Say bye. All right guys, see you later in our next